What's up, guys? The mobile mechanic here. All right, we're on for a part 2 of this video. So in part 1, we got it tore down and we got the hub off, got the axle off, got the brakes, everything off. So here is what's left of the hub assembly. Here is the brand new hub assembly. Hub bolts are torqued to 96, strut bolts are torqued to 133, brand new axle installed and will be torqued after the wheel is installed. Brand new rotors. Hardware's all nice and clean. All right, guys, thank you.